So we're going to first start with Aizza. So Namitha, if you'd like to introduce Aizza, and then you can talk about your project.
Sure. So Aizza, I've been working with Aizza since October, and I definitely, before starting, I want to thank Ira for giving me the opportunity to be a mentor here at Magic. I think I've learned so much, and I think I've grown as a person, and I've got to meet this wonderful family and a family in the Bay Area. So she was a brilliant kid, and she's just grown so much, and I'm so glad to be a part of this journey with her.
Hello, my name is Aizza. I'm a 6th grader at Castilleja, and today we are here to talk about my project. But first, I would like to quickly introduce my tutor, Namitha. Namitha works at Intel Corporation, which is a semiconductor company. She's a graphic software engineer, and she graduated with her master's from the Rochester Institute of Technology. Namitha develops code that helps me watch Netflix on my laptop, powered by Intel Inside. In her free time, she likes to swim, run, hike, and bake. I wanted to do magic because I was inspired by my father. Where my father works, he spends all day fighting computer bugs and helping computer software. So I wanted to learn Python because the way my father described it to me just made it seem really magical. So apart from my main project, I worked on a lot of smaller programs, such as programs that pass variables to functions, created lists, created arrays, received input from the user, and all these programs help me understand programming concepts. So the main project was inspired by my love of trivia games and my new love of coding. My overall experience at Magic was amazing. I learned a lot of new things that I most likely would not have learned about this program. A part of my curriculum at Magic, I got the privilege to visit the Intel Museum. I got to learn a lot about big buildings that made tiny chips called fabrication units. Fabrication units had exactly 5 floors. Only one of them was actually meant for making the chips. All the other floors had the floor made out of rubber squares with holes through them to filter the air. And so in order to keep the chips clean, the employees that worked there would have to wear these bunny suits. And it was exactly 28 steps to put on the bunny suit, and this is an image of my little sister wearing a bunny suit. So this image is taken of all the employees that worked at Intel when it first took off. So now let's talk about my project. So my project is named the Namitha Trivia Extravaganza, and it was a program designed to test your knowledge of world facts and fun facts. It taught me how to use functions, else statements, GUIs, and CSV readers in Python. So a part of a challenge in this project near the end was attaching the CSV with the GUI, and I would like to work on this as our next step in the project. So the components of my project were user interaction, data management, and score calculation. We came up with these by physically going to a whiteboard and writing them out to review the stuff that we needed to learn for this project and the stuff we needed to review. So a core part of this project was data management. So we used data management by having questions and answers that were entered to a CSV file, and we used a CSV module in Python to access the rows of questions and answers in the CSV file. And our questions were entered in row A and our answers were entered in row C in the CSV file. User interaction was broken into 2 core parts in this project. It was broken into question selection and question and answer. We had all our answers in a CSV file, and we entered them under either section easy, medium, or hard. So in this example, easy was questions from 0 to 10. So our program would say, hello, welcome to the Namitha Trivia Extravaganza. Today you'll be answering questions. Let's begin. It would prompt you for your level that you would like for your 5 questions, and it would print up the question, and it would give you an option to answer. So at the end of our project, we would give the score calculation. So basically what it would do, it was take the answer that the user imported into the project, and it would compare it with the actual answer on the CSV file, and convert that to lowercase. And if you got it correct, it would say correctamundo, and it would add 1 to your score after counting it throughout your project. Otherwise, it would say, sorry, that is incorrect. Your actual answer is your actual answer. At the end of your 5 questions, it would print your final score is your score out of 5. Thank you, and make sure to check out my demo table for questions.